All right, welcome to the final factoring by grouping video. So we're still following the same process as our last video. Remember, your quadratics are always A, B, C. And we're going to draw our X over here, a nice organizational tool to just organize our thoughts. So up top, don't forget you're going to do A times C. In this case, A is 2, C is negative 18. That gives me negative 36. And then on the bottom, we're going to do B, which is, in this case, just 5 right there. So I'm going to put a 5. Oops. And we want to know what multiplies to negative 36 and adds to 5. Now, one trick here. Since I'm multiplying to a negative number, I know one number is going to be positive and one is going to be negative. So if I think for a little bit, and I'll give you a second to think, what multiplies to negative 36 and adds to positive 5? That is going to be 9 and negative 4. 9 times negative 4 is negative 36. 9 plus negative 4 is 5. All right, so our second step, our next part, is to split that middle term. So I'm going to write this as 2x squared plus 9x minus 4x minus 18. So recall from the last video, the last two terms stay the same, but your middle term you've split into 9x minus 4x. And then we just go on to our factoring by grouping, which we have done multiple times in this lesson. So I'm going to go pretty fast here, faster than usual. 2x squared, 9, negative 4x, negative 18. Let's see, there is no common factors here. So no, yes there is. I forgot my x, apologies. Yeah, so my common factor is just x. That leaves me with 2x and 9. And then down here, I can take out a negative 2 to get my signs to match up. And that will work. So my final answer is x minus 2 times 2x plus 9. All right, so our final problem for these videos. So remember, so we have 6x squared minus 11x minus 2. Your directions here to factor. So we're going to draw our x, our organization. We have a times c. Let's see, 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. And on the bottom we have b, which is negative 11. So what multiplies to negative 12 and adds to negative 11? A little tricky, but notice how they're 1 unit apart. That's usually that's a sign that you're going to have 1 and then negative 12. 1 times negative 12 is negative 12. 1 plus negative 12 is negative 11. Now we split our middle term, so we have 6x squared plus 1x, or just plus x, minus 12x minus 2. So again, notice your in terms stayed the same, those match up. And you just took your negative 11x and split it as you had found here. So now we just go to our factoring by grouping. Draw our box. 6x squared x, negative 12x, negative 2. Let's see, on the top I can factor out an x. That leaves me with 6x and a 1. On the bottom I can factor out a negative 2, and that will make it match up. So my final answer is x minus 2 times 6x plus 1. All right, see you all in the next lesson.